34 years old from Candaba, Pampanga. At isang OFW dito sa Taiwan. Ang aking agency dyan sa Pinas ay Words Transman. Hello sa lahat ng nasa POEA. Happy Migrants Day sa inyo lahat. At sa lahat ng kapwa ko OFW. At ganun din yung aking asawa kung nakarating man siya ngayon dito sa POEA. Gusto ko lang sanang sabihin na patuloy mong gabayan yung ating mga anak, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang mga pagsamba na huwag nilang pababayaan. Lumaki silang may banal na takot sa Diyos. Dahil katulad nito, magkalayo tayo, wala ako dyan, panatag yung loob ko. Dahil alam ko nandyan ka para gabayan sila sa mga pagsamba. At yung awitin ko, I will be here para sa iyo. I love you. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we'll inside or below, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen. And I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, to the winning and losing and trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years, I will be here. I will be here. You can crying on my shoulder when the mirrors tell us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here. I will be here, just as sure as seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I will be here, we'll be together forever. 'Cause I will be here, I will be here. Thank you so much.